Right now, as you're watching this video, something incredible is happening. Your screen is changing because information is traveling across the planet in milliseconds. That information is moving through wires buried underground, cables stretched across oceans, and massive computers running day and night. And yet, most of us have no idea how any of it actually works. Free. Just tap a screen and it magically responds. But the internet is not magic. It's the largest machine humans have ever built. So today, let's break it down, simply, from cables to cloud. First, let's clear up a huge misunderstanding. The internet is not Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi is just a short-range wireless connection between your device and a nearby router. And the internet is not in the sky. There's no floating cloud above us sending videos to our phones. The internet is a global network of physical computers connected to each other, billions of them. When people say the internet, what they really mean is a massive system that allows computers to communicate. Whenever you send a message, watch a video, or load a website, your device doesn't send the whole thing at once. Big. Everything is broken into tiny pieces called data packets. A photo, a text message, even this very video, is chopped into thousands or millions of small packets. Each packet carries a little bit of the message, along with instructions about where it came from and where it needs to go. Think of it like tearing a book into individual pages, mailing them separately, and then perfectly reassembling them at the destination. Inside these packets, everything is converted into binary ones and zeros. Computers don't understand words, images, or sound. They only understand electrical signals. A 1 means on, and a 0 means off, per said. By combining these incredibly fast on-off signals, computers can represent text, pictures, music, and video. Every single thing you see online is ultimately just an extremely organized stream of ones and zeros. Now, let's follow what happens when you open a website. It all starts with your device, your phone, laptop, or tablet. When you tap a link, your device sends data wirelessly to your router. Your router is like a traffic manager for your home network. It doesn't know the entire internet, but it knows exactly where to send your data next. From there, your data leaves your house and travels to your internet service provider, or ISP companies like Comcast, Airtel, or Vodafone. Once your data reaches your ISP, it begins a much longer journey. It passes through many routers, which are powerful computers designed to move data as efficiently as possible. Each router makes a quick decision. Where should this packet go next to reach its destination the fastest? No single router controls the internet. Instead, the internet works because millions of routers cooperate, constantly adjusting routes based on traffic, failures, and congestion. And here's the part that surprises most people. Almost all global internet traffic travels through physical cables. Not satellites. Cables. Massive fiber-optic cables that run underground and under the ocean. These undersea cables stretch thousands of kilometers across the seafloor, connecting continents. When you send a message from one country to another, it usually travels as pulses of light through glass fibers, thinner than a human hair, moving close to the speed of light. As your data travels, it needs an address, just like a phone number or a home address. Every device connected to the internet has an IP address. But humans don't remember long strings of numbers, so we use website names instead. This is where DNS comes in, the domain name system. DNS is like the internet's phone book. When you type a website name, DNS translates it into the correct IP address, so your data knows where to go. Once the address is found, your request reaches a server. A server is just a powerful computer designed to store data and respond to requests. Websites don't live online in some abstract way, they live on servers, too. These servers are stored in data centers, which are enormous buildings filled with computers stacked in rows. Data centers are carefully cooled, protected, and powered by backup systems because the internet needs to run all the time. When a server receives your request, it sends data back to you again, broken into packets. Those packets travel back through cables, routers, and networks until they reach your router, and then your device. Your device reassembles the packets in the correct order, and suddenly, the website appears on your screen. All of this happens in fractions of a second. Now let's talk about the cloud. The cloud is one of the most misunderstood ideas in technology. The cloud is not a place. It's not floating storage. The cloud simply means using someone else's servers instead of your own. When you upload photos to Google Drive, stream a movie on Netflix, or listen to music on Spotify, you are accessing data stored on remote servers in data centers around the world. The cloud is just a convenient name for other people's computers. Security is another big question. How does your data stay private while traveling across the internet? The answer is encryption. When you visit a secure website, your data is locked using complex mathematical algorithms. Even if someone intercepts the data, all they see is scrambled nonsense. Only the correct key can unlock it. This is why you see HTTPS in your browser. It means your connection is encrypted. Finally, let's look ahead. The internet is still evolving. Fiber optic technology is getting faster. Satellites are expanding coverage to remote areas. Artificial intelligence is helping manage traffic more efficiently. Scientists are even experimenting with a quantum internet, which could revolutionize security and speed. But no matter how advanced it becomes, the core idea remains the same. Computers talking to computers. The internet is not magic. It's not invisible. It's a vast physical system built by humans, powered by electricity, light, and logic. And every time you click, scroll, or stream, you're using the largest machine ever created without even thinking about it. If this video helped the internet finally make sense, subscribe to QuickBrain Bytes, where big ideas are broken down into simple, powerful explanations. Thanks for watching.